What's up, guys? Steve here from Card Breaking Hill, getting ready for our 5-box mixer. We got a beautiful lineup here. Teams are getting ready to be done. Good luck, good luck. Here we go. It is 9:50. We're live in 10 minutes. We got Mike to Nico, Anaheim to Winnipeg. Let me do something. We're going to double up Vegas and Minnesota because we do have a 17-18 product on tap for tonight. Let's go. 1, 2. So Minnesota and Vegas are doubled up, as you can see. 3 is a timestamp. Timestamp on 3. It says 9:50. 9:50 it is. We're on our last and final random for teams. Get your timestamp. Only break for tonight. We might be posting another one. We'll see. We don't have any big plans for tonight. Fourth and final timestamps at 9:50 and 9:50 it is. So let's copy these over. Columbus to Mini Vegas on a double up. And St. Louis to Winnipeg. Here's your teams. Now let's match up some names. It's still 9:50, and we got Mike to Nico. 1, 2, 3. Timestamp. And don't forget, we're giving away a wheel spin or a free box of cards tonight. Your guys' choice. Third timestamp is at 9:51. 9:51 it is. We're on our last and final for this one. Okay, last and final timestamp here for the night is at 9:51 and 9:51 it is. Brendan finished on top of the list to Nico. And then we got Clay to Jarvis. Clay to Jarvis. All right, folks, here's your teams. We'll post them. We'll see you in less than 10 minutes. Best of luck with the break.